So how do we actually fix our Celly headphones that they're connected but there is no sound? Well, this is how I fixed it myself. The first thing I had to do is to click on this button right here to be able to turn them off once again. So just turn them off. And then if you were connected to, for example, a phone here, click on, for me it says flow beat here, that is how it's recognizing those headphones basically. So I had to click here and click on forget this device, and once again click on forget the device. And then I'm going to repair it once again. So I'm just going to click on this button again here to be able to turn them on here. So when I turn them on, I'm going to go back into Bluetooth. And then I'm just going to turn my Bluetooth settings off and then on once again. Wait for the flow beat here to appear and then just connect to flow beat here. Just going to wait a couple of seconds. And perfect. Now you can see it says connected here. And also this blue light here will stay consistent when it's connected, just so that you're aware of that. So now to be able to fix the sound issue. So you can see you have these two controls here. If you click on this one, this is to be able to increase the sound. If you click and hold on that button, you will see that the sound will increase here. This one will decrease it, by the way. I'm just going to show you. So you can see this one will decrease it. So quite often that's the problem. You probably have it set to 0 right now. So just click on this button here. And if you see it going up here, perfect. That means that it should now work. So try once again and hopefully this will now fix it for you as well.